Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how do you activate a new Cash App card that you have. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first thing first guys, we are going to go ahead and be needing the application for this. If you do not already have the application, what you want to do is go to the App Store and download it. So open up your App Store, go to the search bar and search for Cash App. Once you search for it, find the application, install it, and once you have installed it successfully, now we are ready, so you can go ahead and open it up. So you can log in with your phone mobile number or with your email, depending whichever you prefer. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the other settings that we have. And now we can get started. So basically, guys, to be able to go ahead and activate a new cash card, this is what you have to do. So right here at the bottom of the page, we have the sections tab where you can find all the sections we can access. And now next to the home tab, we have the card tab. So you want to click on the card icon next to the home page. And after doing so, it's going to open up this new menu right here. So here is where our cash card is going to be, that we're going to go and be able to create, where we can use, and so on. And as you can see, once you prolong hold your cash card, you'll be able to go ahead and open up this menu. So long tap on your cash card, and this is going to open up this menu where, as you can see, you have the option to activate the cash card. As you can see, one of the options is called activate cash card, so you can use it to activate the card that you have created. But guys, if you need to create a new card that you want to activate, what you have to do is first report your cash card as lost or stolen. So report it as a lost or stolen card, and once you report a lost, they can then deactivate it, and after that you'll be able to go ahead and create your new card. So just create your new card like I have just showed you, and you can go ahead and activate it as I have just showed you the steps right here, normally like the card before that. And that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.